In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Monday.com fast and easy. If you've been looking for a way to streamline your workflow and enhance your project management skills, then you're in the right place. The Kanban view is a powerful tool that can help you visualize your tasks in a more organized and efficient way. So let's dive right into it. To begin, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your Monday.com board where you'd like to implement the Kanban view. Once you're there, look for the plus Add View button. This is your gateway to transforming your ordinary board into a dynamic Kanban board. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Kanban. This simple step will set the stage for a more visually organized and manageable workflow. Now that you've set up the Kanban view, it's time to move on to the next crucial step, choosing a status column to group your cards by. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, the status column serves as the backbone of your Kanban board. It determines how your tasks will be sorted and arranged. Typically, you'll want to select a column that aligns with the different stages of your project or workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. This grouping will allow you to easily track the progress of various tasks at a glance. With your tasks now organized into columns, you're ready to take advantage of one of the most intuitive features of the Kanban view, drag and drop. This allows you to easily move tasks between columns as their status changes. Simply click on a task card, drag it to a new column, and drop it there. This method is not only straightforward but also incredibly satisfying as you see your tasks move through the workflow. It reflects real-time updates, which can keep you and your team on the same page. Lastly, let's talk about optimizing your Kanban view using filters. As you manage complex projects with multiple team members, filtering can become your best friend. It helps you hone in on specific details that matter most to you at the moment. For instance, you can filter tasks by team member to see who is working on what, or by timeline to focus on tasks that are nearing their deadlines. This helps eliminate distractions, allowing you to concentrate on what's most important. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage the full power of the Kanban view in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team project or simply organizing personal tasks, this tool can make your workflows more transparent and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.